General cleaning would be to brush, wash, or leaf blow it just to get the debris off of it. Maybe once a year or even twice a year, depending on how much traffic you will get. You can pressure wash that. That really helps. But if it's old enough or stained or damaged in any way, they are specific cleaning products made for concrete surfaces or even pavers. You probably need professional help to do that, which suggest going to your local masonry supply, talk to them, see what is available in your area, what is approved for use in your local area, and either follow the directions or hire a professional who knows how to use them. They can really help and clean the pavers.